Up next on TLS. Are you hungry, Philippines? This is the show's special segment that features great food and the beautiful places where you can enjoy them.
Hello everyone, this is Tina Barbin and welcome to another vlog of Are You Hungry PH. I'm here right now in the beautiful city of Tagaytay inside Canyon Woods. So join me as I explore the place and of course, eat good food. Hello, so I'm going to give you a tour of our accommodations here in Tagaytay City in Canyon Woods. So look at that. So this is our bedroom. This house actually has a lot of bedrooms. Where's the light? Oh, here are the lights. Okay, so the bathroom. And this is our room. There, can you see our room? And look at that, look at our view, beautiful flowers. So let's go to the other part of the house. Guys, ang saya dito. Okay, so can you see? Kinukunan ko ngayon yung aming view outside of the house from the balcony. So, nandito ako sa balcony. Such a big house. So, it's actually AXB Manor inside Canyon Woods here in Tagaytay City. So, the weather is, well, it's not so cool. But it's also not too warm. So it's just right, but you don't really need to wear any sweater or any jacket. But then again, it's afternoon, so I don't know later at night. So look at those trees. This is the view from our balcony. So let's go inside the house again. Okay, so we're back inside the house. Let's go to the other parts of the house. Medyo maingay ang aking family. They're having a good time down there. Hello! They have this recreation area. Okay, let me open the door. And there they are. This is like the entertainment room. Look at that. And family is watching. Here you can also play ping pong or table tennis inside the house. Ayan, so niluluto pa manalo. Yum! Sige po, stir niyo po. Pwede po makita yung karne. Wow! Yum, 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 yum! Hello! We're in Bag of Beans, Charito branch. And there, the lovely view of Tagaytay. The Taal volcano and Taal Lake. Oh, there's a big beetle. And there is Bag of Beans, Charito branch.
For more features on what to eat and where to eat them, follow AYHPH on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.